Tie two balloons together. Use the blue balloon to make a barrier knot. Twist a 5-finger wide bubble. Make another barrier knot. Make 3 more 5-finger wide bubbles. Wrap them around the barrier knots. Twist to small round bubbles using the pink balloon. Wrap it around the barrier knots. Deflate part of the balloon. Pass over the top of the elephant's head and wrap it around the other barrier knots. Then twist to small round bubbles. Wrapping the pink bubbles in the blue balloon. Wrap it around the barrier knots. Twist to 3-finger wide bubbles for the elephant's legs. Wrap the other pink round bubbles using the blue balloon. Use a small piece of yellow balloon to make an apple twist. Inflate a small piece of blue balloon to make the elephant's trunk. Add eyes, and it's all done!